You're letting your cats uh, eat wrongly. This is hurting them every day. Most kitten owners truly believe they are feeding their kitten the right way, but many loving people are unknowingly making small daily mistakes that slowly damage their kitten growth, digestion, and long-term health. Feeding adult cat food too early, choosing cheap, low-quality brand full of fillers, giving the wrong portion size, or feeding at random time uh, can quietly lead to stomach problems, vomiting, weak immunity, poor bone and muscle development, and even behavior issues as your kitten grows. This problem often starts small, so owners ignore them until real damage has already been done. Kittens are not small adult cats. Their bodies grow fast, their brains develop quickly, and their immune system are still weak, which means they need very specific nutrition at the right times of the day. In this video, you will learn the most three dangerous kitten feeding mistakes many owners make without realizing it, how often to feed your kitten, how much food they actually need at different age, and how to avoid low quality food that looks healthy but is not. If your kitten eating too fast, begs for food constantly, throw up sometimes, has soft stall, low energy, or seems smaller than others kitten their age, these are warning signs that their diet may be wrong. Fixing your kitten feeding routine early protect their future health and can prevent painful problems later in life. Small changes you make today can improve digestion, support strong bones and muscle.